Hey guys, it's your girl, Part of My Beauty TV, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be talking about hair growth. This is not going to be a long video. This is not going to be a video of me telling you guys, oh, buy this product or do this or do that, whatever the case may be. I'm really here to give you guys the insight and the key points to hair growth and how it's going to help your hair grow tremendously. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. The first thing that I want to talk about was what a lot of people do not understand is that the only way your hair is going to grow is if you research what works for you. If anybody tells you, oh, this hair oil, this, that, and the third, yes, if the hair oils is going to work, and if you find you have similar hair types and similar textures as a person and they're using a hair oil that works for them, okay, fine. And you want to buy it, this is not me knocking any company, none of that, because I love hair oils. I mix some up of my own, and I've been thinking about selling hair oils myself. But of course, it's going to make your hair grow because that's what the oils are supposed to do. Anybody can tell you that hair oils, the hair is going to work. It doesn't matter what company you use. You have to stick to what makes your hair feel good. If your hair loves water, stick to water. If your hair loves oil, stick to oil. Don't let no one tell you, oh, you should do this, you should do that. If they're telling you the right thing, then yeah, follow it. If they're not, and it's not working for you, do your own research. For years, my hair has always grown, whether I use product, a certain type of company or not. I love different companies. I have used a whole bunch of different companies. But what I know has helped me grow my hair is sticking to what I know, sticking to the basics, sticking to what my hair loves, knowing that I love to wear my hair curly. I like it, but I can't keep it curly for long because it's going to dry out. I know I'm not going to do anything to it. And I know that it's going to break off because, as we all know, when your hair is curly, it's in its weakest state. I try to finger detangle as much as I can. I try to do the same thing for my daughter. I try to keep it hydrated if I'm going to try to wear curly, but it does not stay curly long. I get headaches, and that's not good for me. I can increase water take. I'm not going to sit here and say I'm not doing everything that I can or, to even try to keep my hair a certain type of way. I know how to do it. I know how to define my curls, but I prefer my hair to either be blown out or straightened. It's more manageable for me, and I can go on about my day or my week knowing that I don't have to worry about trying to brush my hair to a certain style because I didn't slept on my hair in it and then dried up. I didn't try bonnets. I didn't try the pineapple method. I didn't try everything. Yes, it works, but for a certain amount of time, I want to go out and leave my hair curls. When it curls up, when it's nice, when I wash my hair and there's no product in it, it's fully rinsed through, that's how I want my curls to stay. But then over time, it dries. I've tried to put product in from the root to the bottom. I've tried the lock method or whatever it's called. Yes, all those things work, but this is how I prefer to wear my hair. I have trimmed my hair multiple times. I went to hair school. My hair was breaking off. It was color damage, bleach damage, whatever. I can always get my hair back up. Once it gets if it gets damaged, I've always repaired my hair myself. My teacher in hair school, she cut my hair. My hair was very short. I didn't like it, but I got comfortable with it. And then my hair started to grow. That was like 2019, 2020, I believe. 2020, I think. Over the years, my hair has grown. Yes, having a baby, I guess, helps if you drink a lot of water and you take care of prenatals. I just recently had a child. My hair grows with or without a child. I had my first child. She's 7, and let's think about it. It's been 7 years almost, and my new daughter's 1, so you do the math. My hair's been growing without a child. So yes, a child helps everything else. But the key to hair growth is making sure you learn what your hair likes. I used to think I needed to have my hair as flat as possible and try this, that, and you know, back in the day, all the girlies on YouTube was using Monistat and all that stuff. I never used that. They would say, oh, lean your head over for as long as you could take it and the blood rush into your hair, it makes your hair grow an inch, all that nonsense. Everybody tried it. I didn't try it. I get headaches personally. That didn't work for me. But I know that my hair loves oil. I need to grease my scalp. I love virgin hair fertilizer. I like Blue Magic. Do Grow has worked for me. I used to love Cantu. Cantu products switched up. I don't know if they changed it. I stick to what I know. I will have my hair straightened. I will let it get to, if I take a shower, it gets wet in the back. If I take a shower, it gets wet in the front. Wash my face, whatever. I let it get frizzy. I don't care. I'll brush it to a ponytail. If I feel like I need to revamp my flat iron, then I'll revamp my flat iron. If I need to trim my ends, I trim my ends on my own. Sometimes I do protective styles. I'll have braids or throw on my little half wigs, whatever the case may be. Washing sets, I feel like when I get my routinely deep condition and everything else, that helps. That's another thing that has helped my hair grow. Deep conditioning, deep conditioning, deep conditioning. I had my hair pink at one point, and it changed like my curl pattern. It was straight and curly, and this was a while ago, and I had to do the Afro G. I researched, and that's another thing. Another key point is to research these products before you put them in your hair. A lot of people say, oh, this don't work, this, that, and then people have problems with protein. Afro G has worked very well for me. Very well. If I needed to use it, I would use it again. I've had my hair green. I've had my hair red. I've had my hair blonde. I've had purple hair. I had my hair blue. And we're back here. So obviously I'm doing something right. So I'm not sure if I have 4A, 3B, C, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. One day maybe I'll do a video and you guys can leave a comment down below to tell me what type hair do I have. But I washed my hair the other day, well, yesterday night. I washed it, I blow dried. I said I was gonna wait and flat iron it today because I was tired. I knew I would just be running the flat iron through my hair. So I think that's another thing that helps me. Sometimes I'll wash and blow dry my hair, and I know if I don't have to do anything during the day, I'll just flat iron my hair the next day because it's like, I'm not in a rush. I'm over leaving my hair, trying to press my hair flat and get it as flat as possible. If I'm at the Dominicans and they get my hair flat, okay, nice, it's pretty, whatever. But even if it wasn't, it wouldn't even bother me. I love my hair like this. It's nice and lightweight. It's shiny. I have not put no grease in my hair. None. I don't have no grease in my hair. It's like, even without the lighting, if you was in front of me, you would be like, wow, your hair is, shiny. Looks. I put no oils or nothing in my hair last night. All I did was wash them, blow dry my hair, spray heat protectant before I blow dry my hair, and called it a day. So I don't want to keep you guys long on this video. I just want to come give you a little brief message to the girlies that You have to learn your hair. And no matter what product you use, it's gonna work, because if you learn your hair and you use Aussie, and Aussie, your hair loves Aussie, the way the product feels in your hair, of course your hair is gonna grow. And another thing before I go, you guys have to take in consideration, if you're taking medication, if you have, you know, maybe you always sleep with a dry pillowcase, it might be breaking your hair off. Maybe you do drugs, maybe you do alcohol. You got to take those things into consideration when trying to grow your hair. If you smoke every day and then wonder why your hair is not growing, I mean, if you do all these pullback styles, and your hair's not growing or your edges are falling out, like, of course, you're tugging your hair. Sometimes you just gotta leave your hair alone. When I was in high school, my hair was growing so much and I didn't realize, but all I did was ponytails, or I just left it like this. My cousin would come braid it, or she would come flat iron it for me. I would wrap it up, put a scarf on, call it a day. My hair was growing. Sometimes you gotta just leave it alone, let it get dirty, let it build up, give it something to wash. If you're washing hair all the time, if you're cleaning your scalp, how does your scalp know what to do? I mean, let the buildup come in your head, let it build up, let the little whatever. Now, if you have dry flakes or scalp, all the alopecia and all that stuff, of course, you know, cleanse your scalp, but let it get dirty. That's what the shampoo and conditioner is for. Shampoo your hair, condition your hair, and leave it alone. Maybe put it in 2 braids, put your wig on, get it sew-in, whatever you like, but just leave your hair alone, honestly, and it definitely will grow. You definitely will get length. I'm gonna insert some pictures for you guys. Make sure you like and comment if you like this video. Don't mind my shirt. This is not about that, but either way, make sure you like and comment and let me know what you like about this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I have more videos about hair growth and things I like to use in my hair, and I've done the aloe and all that stuff. So make sure you guys go ahead and go to make sure you guys look at my description box, and I will link certain videos for you guys to look at. If you would like me to do more hair videos, let me know in the comments. Once again, if you are a new viewer, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because if you're not subscribing, you're gonna miss out on great content. And yes, in my last video, I was looking a mess, but you never know. I can put myself together. I don't have to do much. You already know this is the chill vibes. We can talk about anything. And if you want a product list, or if you want me to show you my products, we can do that as well. But as always, thank you for watching Part of My Beauty TV, and I'm out.